Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Ali. So today I have brought you a subject of comparative reports and how we can build a comparative reports in Hyperion Financial Reporting Tools HFR Studio. Okay. So first of all, what is comparative reports? Comparative reports are reports that shows the two periods or two companies status, financial status or other status, so that side by side one can compare with two. Okay, in the same way, like one can have the change as well as a column, okay, or change percent as a column as well over the time. It depends on your requirement, how many years or how many times you wanna compare to each others. Here is my reports. This is a balance sheet. Summarize a balance sheet. Here is a assets and liabilities, and we have compared over the periods of 2 years, it's 2016 and 17, and we have compared about the change in change percent. Here is the change in change percent. So one can compare to. Second, it helps to check with the trend. One can check the trend, like how trend is going. If you look at this trend means change, change or development over time. Change shows a direction in which one can identify the change percent or change development, how it's changing over time. So trend analysis helps to identify the change or development over period. So trend, the comparative financial statements to help the ascertain trend. Okay, relating to here we are comparing the assets and current liabilities, so I have shown the same thing. So one can compare in periods, like here is a total 12 months comparison over two things, assets and liabilities, and here is a trend as well. This shows the trend between the liabilities is below, the asset is above, and there is no much up and downs. This is showing simple. So there are the other ways as well one can compare. So in other change, one can have the like compare two periods or multiple periods over time. One can have the trend analysis with the help of comparative reports helps in forecasting. One can forecast and compare, and one can evaluate the performance. Evaluate evaluate the performance over period is changing, how it's changing. So now we are going to build the same report in Hyperion Financial Reporting. So I'm going to open my reporting tool, Hyperion Financial Reporting Studio, enter with credential. Okay. This is the blank window. I'm going to open a new window. Okay. First of all, I'm going to create a basic reports. Then later on, we'll make it comparative reports. So I'm going to give the heading first. I want to give the heading text and select. Okay. I'm going to give the heading. I have a data available on balance sheet, so I'm going to select the balance sheet as on March 31st 2018. Okay. So I have selected the text. Okay, now Text you can select according to your preference. If you want to make it bold or italic or whatever maybe the font you want to give, you can give. Okay. Now I'm going to add the grid. Okay. I select the grid. I am going to create the row. I have already made the connection. My database connection is as best. Okay. I want my account in row, and in column I need a year. Okay. All the other dimension will be in point of view or POV. So here it's corrected the grid. Okay. I'm going to select my balance sheet item. So I'm going to use the function of descendant so that all the function will be there. Okay. So I'm going to select the item, the balance sheet items. Okay. Selected the descendant of balance sheet. Okay. I want to make click here. Okay. Okay. Now remove the account here. Okay. I select OK. Okay. Now I'm going to select the year. I want year. I have all the data on years right now. I can select the 17 first, then 16. Yeah, one can select a multiple period as according to the requirement. Okay, I'm clicking going. I want need a in separate column both the years. So I selected the same. On click on checkbox. Click on OK. So now one can check. I want to give the heading in bold. Make it color. I want to give it the color is gray. Then click on OK. Then apply the same. And click OK. I want to give the condition here. I need all the parent in bold. So I'm going to give the condition level, account level. Of course, it's in balance sheet is an account. Okay, select the same greater than one, level one and two. And now format. I need this bold. Or also I need the minus values in parentheses. Okay, it's not required for right away for this. Okay, select the need. I need a parent to be in above the line over period. Select the color light gray. Okay, now click on OK. Then I wanna apply the same. It's okay. So we can check it the reports. One more thing, like I need numbers, the member's name in alias. Okay. So here is my basic balance sheet is completed. I wanna click on save now. Wanna give the title, select the folder and give the title balance sheet. Now save and we can review in balance sheet in workspace. So I explore, click on explore, then click on your folders. Okay, now here is my balance sheet. Okay. So here is my balance sheet. The basic balance sheet is completed. Okay. Now I wanna add the column here. So the adding column, just click on the save, select the column. Okay. You can add the column with the help of just right click and you will get the insert column. Then you will get three options: data, formula and text. Okay, I need to add formula here, so I'm going to select formula. Or there is another way to enter the inside the column. Okay, you can click on insert, then click on column, then you will get all the three options: data, formula and text. So I have already selected. I want to give the heading of this is column as a absolute change year over year. Absolute change. Year over year. Then I need to give the formula. I need variance. Okay, so I selected the variance. I select the column between A comma B because it's already is variance, so it will look like the same values will be in variance. Okay, and now verify the same. Click on the checkbox. Okay, click on OK. Yeah, it's verified now. So one can check. I also want these my values should be in parentheses. The rate values, the minus values or negative values should be in parentheses and showing in red. I click on apply, click on OK. So this is the absolute change. Okay. So we can check the output and so I need to click on save first. Okay. I saved in. We can check it the output here in HTML view as well. Okay. So here is a change, absolute change over year. So I want to add one more column. I want to check the numbers, the absolute change into percentage. How much percent is this with year over year? So I'm going to add another column in the same way. I click on OK. I click on insert, then click on column in formula. Now I want to give the heading of absolute change percent, or according to your preference you can get whatever you want the name. If there is a change, that's the reason I'm giving the change percent year over year, change percent. Okay, apply with the formula. The change percent here is in function, so you can select the change percent, then again select the columns A. We want to check the change percent in this column, so I select the column A and comma B. Click on check the syntax is correct. Okay, I want to apply the form change as well. I need the same for this. For this I want my percent should be in percent only. Negative and positive, both the values should be in percent and showing in red. If it is negative, showing in red. Okay, I click on apply and okay, so it's apply for the same. So click on okay. Okay, if you can out check with the output. So or we can check the output in folder, change the time span. It's change. Okay, so here is a change percent. So in this way one can have the comparative balance sheet or comparative. It depends on your requirement. You can build a comparative income statement, comparative balance sheet, comparative cash flow, or other reports, sales and other forecasting and budgeting reports in a comparative way. Okay. So that's all for today. Should you have any question, you can call or update to us on. You can visit to our website www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.